okay, Mia? I think she's not very happy because she has worked out that she's not coming to Oshkosh with us. Anyway, we have got the Teal ready and we are bringing it to the floatplane base. That's the plan. I feel like there's a pretty good chance we are going to be the only Teal at the floatplane base or at Oshkosh. We might not be, but they only built 37 of them. So we spent the whole day going through the airplane, sorting out a number of items and getting it ready to go. We had some electrical issues to deal with and just tidying up a bit of wiring. We've been working through the weight and balance and working out our baggage. So we've got about 90 pounds of baggage that we can take, which is not terrible for personal gear and camping stuff, but it's certainly fairly restrictive. It's quite amazing how much of that gets eaten up, your 90 pounds there with, you know, like things like mooring ropes and tie downs and life jackets and that. So it's going to be a little more Spartan than previous trips, but I think that'll be kind of fun as well. So hopefully we're good to go for tomorrow. I got all or most of the bugs cleaned off, so we can smash a bunch of fresh ones tomorrow. And the weather is now the big concern. Some pretty big fronts moving in, and I'm actually just starting to hear some thunder off in the distance to the north, and it looks like there's a cold front coming. So we were going to head north for Sioux and make our way up around the top of Michigan and then come down to the seaplane base, but I'm not sure. Let's have a look. It's looking a little nasty out that way, so we're expecting precipitation and rain in the morning, maybe a bit of low cloud and that cold front to come through, so we'll just see how we can make out and what we can deal with. So back to the hangar early in the morning, and hopefully we'll see you all at Oshkosh at the seaplane base. Stay safe everyone, and happy tailwinds.